This Ulike mask is super affordable and well made. Look at this sturdy construction. It's got this wide band at the back, which is so comfortable to wear. This super eye area, which means that you're protected from the light, but also a very wide opening so that you can see through it and do other things while you're wearing the mask, like read or household chores or whatever you would like. And then let's talk about the settings on the Ulike. Okay, so you've got the glow setting. Okay, so we'll start with the glow setting. The glow setting is red light at 630 nanometers plus it's red light at 630 nanometers plus infrared light, which is invisible to the eye at 830 nanometers, and yellow light at 530 nanometers. This setting lasts 5 minutes on the Ulike. Then you've got the firm setting, which is red light at 630 nanometers and infrared light at 830 nanometers. On this mask, that lasts for 8 minutes. And then you've got Rejuvenate, and that is yellow light at 590 nanometers plus infrared, again, which is invisible to the naked eye, and that's an 8-minute setting. And then you've got the clear setting, which is blue light at 415 nanometers plus red light at 630 nanometers, and that's for 5 minutes. The other thing I want to talk about is the mirror technology. So the 360-degree mirror technology means that it's reflecting off each other and it gives even coverage. And the other thing that you'll notice when you put it on, sits off your face. So if you have acne or inflammation, you're not going to experience as much heat from the mask right on your face. So overall, it's a budget-friendly mask that you could use every day and that has a lot of features, different features, for a great price.